for the second advent calendar for this series, I wanted to make it look like a Christmas village, and in this video I'm going to show you some gift ideas and also the wrapping part. So if you already have your gifts, you can skip the first part and get right into the wrapping. If you're looking for ideas as to what to put into the advent calendar, here's what I got. I bought some travel-sized games because those are pretty great for when you're on the go and you kind of want to play a game. I don't know, those are pretty cute games. You could of course get something a little more steamy if cute is not what you're going for with your calendar. And then this one was a fail. I bought this online, but this turned out to be actually for a dollhouse. So to balance that out, I bought some scratch cards and I will write something on it like, sometimes in life you're not very lucky, hopefully you're luckier than I was when buying this, or something like that. And then this is a stocking for the 6th of December because that's Nikolaus, and I will put some self-baked cookies in that. I think mugs are a really practical gift for winter, and on the left you can see an Evolution mug. They do this with pretty much every single hobby or job, and they also do t-shirts and stuff like that. And on the right is a mug that shows a picture once you heat it up, and I think those are pretty cool. Candles make everything cozier, and if you want to invest in a really good one, I really recommend this brand. Unfortunately, they tend to be a little expensive, but if you ever want to get a really good candle, I really like those. You could never go wrong with a person's favorite sweets or maybe tea, and for example popcorn you could use for a movie date or anything cozy at home. What follows are a couple of very random and specific gift ideas. If your partner has a car, you can get those car refreshers. I personally hate those, but if your partner likes them, that's the most important thing for this calendar. If they work or study anything health related, you can get those pens or markers that look like bones or like you're about to draw blood. A personal favorite of mine is a message in a bottle. I give those all the time for letters and stuff like that. I really like it, and this year I decided to do some sort of crossword to put in there. You could also put a framed picture of the two of you, and then lastly, for the most coupley gift, matching keychains that are puzzle pieces. You can get those engraved for whatever you like, and I got them off of Amazon, so it's pretty easy to get and they're really cute. Now that we have picked out all the gifts, we can start wrapping and decorating, and for this year I decided to wrap everything in black and then draw on it with my favorite metallic markers, then decorate it whatever you like to do. I used washi tape and those sort of decorations, and then I bought some stickers from the store to tell which gift is for which day, and I also had some fake snow for decoration. And my goal was to make a little Christmas village. It turned out like that. I think it looks really nicely, and this way, by drawing on it, you can make it very personal and you can do whatever you want actually. To give you a little more of an idea, I'm just going to show you some close-ups. I cannot draw for my life, but this even I could pull off. So basically I just drew mostly houses. The stocking I didn't have to decorate anymore because it just came like this. It's not filled yet because I didn't bake the cookies yet. Sometimes I drew a village on the gifts because I didn't want to make them all houses. And then the picture frame, I didn't have a picture just yet, so that's not wrapped. And my favorite is the sledge. I used candy canes and stuck those to the bottom. I didn't do that very prettily, as you can see right now. In the back I made them form a heart, and in the front I just put them regularly, I guess, but they're not gonna see the bottom. And then for the message in the bottle, I put some fake snow in it, and I think it looks really cute. Then I continued doing houses, and some gifts I just wrapped like gift. For the bottle I just used the reindeer design that I showed in last week's video. I made a whole calendar like that, so if you're interested in that, you can go check that out. Gifts that are hard to wrap could be wrapped like popping candy, and then I tried to draw. There you can see I cannot draw. This was supposed to be a gingerbread man. Yeah. Some more drawings, another house, and you can see the picture. I just did that every single time. This is just a regular gift. And then the Christmas tree. It wouldn't be a Christmas village without a Christmas tree. This is green cardboard wrapped like a cane, and then some little ornaments on it. I used the ping pong game to do that, so this is a great idea for gifts that are difficult to wrap. You can just stick those inside. And then for the actual Christmas gift, I went a little bit overboard with the bands. But well, it's Christmas. And because I can't count to 24, apparently I had another gift left over, so I just had an extra gift. Because I only drew on the front, I used the back sides to write little explanations as what the gift is. For the final step, I bought some throw decoration. Those are just little stars that I can put throughout this when I'm going to set this up. And that's the whole calendar. I think it turned out really nicely, and even I cannot draw and I'm not really good at wrapping. I could pull it off, so yeah.